Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Start-Stop on Jeep Compass. This feature is designed to boost your fuel efficiency and cut down on emissions, but it can be frustrating when it stops working. Often, the problem stems from a weak battery or a sensor issue. We'll walk through the most common reasons your system might be acting up and how to get it running smoothly again. Let's dive into the details. A key factor for your start/stop system is your Jeep's battery health. Many Jeep Compass models actually have two batteries, a main one for starting and a smaller auxiliary battery. The auxiliary battery is crucial as it powers your vehicle's electronics when the engine temporarily shuts off. If either battery is weak, especially the auxiliary, the system will disable itself. Check both batteries. If a multimeter shows less than 6 volts, consider replacement. Beyond the batteries, several sensors and conditions impact your start/stop system. The Intelligent Battery Sensor, or IBS, constantly monitors your battery's state of charge and overall health. If this sensor is faulty or its connections are corroded, it can send incorrect data, disabling the system. Also, ensure all doors, the hood, and the tailgate are fully closed, as the system won't engage if it detects an open entry point. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, try a system reset. Disconnecting the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes can clear glitches by draining capacitors. Less common culprits include a faulty hood latch or a brake pedal sensor that isn't registering correctly. These can prevent the system from engaging. Remember to check the description for links to helpful tools and other deals, like the Owala water bottle, to stay hydrated on your journeys. If problems persist, a professional diagnosis is recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.